Welcome to ROUEN UNUSUAL. Today, I tell you the secret locked in the equestrian statue of Napoleon first located on the Général-de-Gaulle square in front of the City Hall. As I speak to you, and since July 2020, the statue is being restored following the appearance of a crack in the horse's right foot. Moreover, it was during this restoration that the restorers discovered a metal box inside the base. This box was probably deposited a few days before or during the inauguration. Upon opening, the metal box revealed all its secrets: 3 piles of papers and a brass tube. The piles of papers list the names of the donors who had made it possible to erect the statue in 1865. As for the brass tube, it contains a small treasure made up of 7 bronze coins, 5 in silver and 5 in gold, all with the effigy of Napoleon III, Emperor of the French at the time. Why did these pieces end up there? Surprise! Which may be revealed in a future podcast.